Alrighty guys, in today's video we're going to be having an overlook of the user parameters for TruCUT RDWorks, and this is the ones located under your SystemWorks plate. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back in the program here. Now, just a quick reminder, this is a mini series on the SystemWorks plate, which is this bar located on the right, sometimes also referred to as the control panel. We'll also leave relevant links in the description so you guys can actually follow along. Now, when it comes to the user parameters, this is one of those places you don't actually want to mess around unless you know what you're doing, because this will really change quite a lot. So under the tabs here on top on our user SystemWorks plate, if we go to the user tab, this will be our user parameters. Now this is for your software, the settings that it will basically use for the cutting speed and so forth. Now what I would recommend, however, if you've have a newly installed or your machine is still running good, or your your software, then what you want to do is go here to the bottom. If for some reason you don't see these buttons, let's move this because some sort of resolution this could happen. Then you just want to navigate, and you'll see there's a little two lines running past. If you hover your mouse on it, the one line on top of the two lines, then you'll see it changes your mouse cursor to these two little arrows. And then if you click that, you just simply drag down or left click and hold in. You drag it down, you can see you can open this. And just make sure you don't drag it so far that you start hiding settings at the bottom. We see over there. Just do it far enough so you can still see both. But like I was mentioning, so what you want to do, if your program is still new in that, click the read option, but make sure your machine is connected. So if it's connected, you click read, it will show you a little progress bar, and then it will say successful. And then what you want to do is you go to save. So you hit the save and make a backup of it, so that if ever in future these settings mess up or someone changes them and you need to change them back, you can always go open, go find the original. So I would highly recommend this because you could really mess up your stuff quite a lot. Now if for some other reason you do edit these and you want to write the changes, then you can simply just go here at the bottom, write, and then it will update it for you. And then on that note, I think it's good that we maybe have a quick overlook of the vendor settings as well, which is very similar. But yeah, so under your file, you go file and you will see vendor settings. If you click that, then it will ask for a password. The password is simple, it's RD 8888, so 48. So R for Romeo, D for Delta, and then 4 8s. And then this will open this, and this will be for your actual machine settings. So obviously you will first have to click read, then it will read the settings of your machine. And then I would also highly recommend, if you don't have to, don't change these settings, because your machine can act quite strange after that if you don't know what you're doing. And likewise, if everything's all running fine, click read, you go to save and make a backup of that as well. And then you can like before, you can always change these settings. You have a few options here, and then you just click write if you want to update it, or you click open if you want to load your backup. Otherwise, that is it on the user parameters. Yeah, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different software to cover, and also you can isolate your search on the top right here. If you do not, however, find the videos you're looking for, just go here, request a training video, then we'll make that video for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.